everyone. So in today's video I'll be using Kodi on Batocera Linux using an Orange Pi PC single board computer. So right now I'm in Batocera Linux, so just press start and then press B where you see Kodi Media Center, and I'm going in there. To use my Orange Pi PC as a Kodi box, Kodi Media box. So when you get here, you just go all the way up here. I don't know if you can see that, where you see that gear icon. Press B. You could go to add-on to add the channels that you want to watch. Go to install from repository. If you have a zip file, you can go here and add it. Or you could just go to repository and go to video add-ons and install the channels you want to install, basically. So I'm going to install CNET. Some of these channels work and some don't, basically. Okay, I installed CNET. Let's see if that one works. Just press A to get back. Just press down and go to add-ons. Select what you want to watch. Just use the D-pad for that. Price, and then press B. I guess that one doesn't work. We'll try, I guess this one, Adult Swim. Gonna turn down the sound. I don't want to get a copyright strike. As you can see, it's right now it's playing Cowboy Bebop. Okay, just turn on sound. You could press the right D-pad to kind of like fast forward. If you want to get out, press A. If you press start, you could see let me go back. Press start, you could see the play time where it's at right now. It's at 7 seconds in. Select, you can stop or pause this. Play it. Fast forward it. And go back, fast forward or stop. Try another one. Try this one right here, NHK. Then turn down the sound.
Close to 70%.
We're just going to see how the video plays on this single board computer. This SBC has quad cores in it. I think it's running at 1.5 or 1.4 gigahertz. Quad core processor. Okay, as you can see, there's no problems playing any of the videos, and this is playing at 1080p at 1920 by 1080 resolution. I think the ratio is 16:9 or 16:10. Again, I could press select and I could kind of like fast forward. Just press the right D-pad. There's the frame buffering, as you can see. So what I'm going to do is press select and then play. It seems to play the videos pretty well. You can press A to get out of it. Go back. Let me go to system setting again. The system information is going to show the system information about my single board computer. As you can see, CPU is only being used at 24%, 23 to 24%. System memory, I have about 1 gigabyte of RAM. I'm using 286 megabytes. Free memory is 681 megabytes. That's the LAN IP address. Below that you see the screen resolution at 1920 by 1080, 60 Hertz, running at full screen. And the temperature is 30 degrees Fahrenheit, which is pretty good. It shows the processor information. It's an ARM v7 processor. Doesn't show you how many megahertz. I think it's 1.4 or 1.5 gigahertz. Quad core processor, all winner processor. ARM v7 base processor. I'm going to get out of here. So this is pretty easy to use, and you can use your single board computer not only as a retro gaming machine, you can also use it to watch movies if you want. Go to videos, you can add files and you can play them as well. From your filing system, if you have any MPEG files or MPEG-4 files or whatever, you can play them on here. Kind of like a video player or something like that. That's pretty much it. If you want to get out or go back to Batocera, you can. Just be here, exit to Batocera. Or you could turn off the system right here if you want. But I'm going to go back to Batocera. Now I'm just going to shut it down. So yeah, this single board computers are pretty versatile. You could use them for a lot of things. You could use them as microcontrollers. You could use it for drones. You could use them for remote control cars. You could use them for retro gaming machines like this. I was using it as a media box basically. So pretty much a lot of stuff. Doesn't have as much power as a x86 or x64 computer, but for what it's intended, it's good enough. So anyways, if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching. By Ace 1000KS 1975 signing out.